What if death is never the end? What if, in some strange way, you live forever? We tend to see life as a single, linear journey with a definitive end. But what if our understanding of reality is incomplete? What if the universe has a built-in loophole that ensures your awareness never fades to black? This is the premise of quantum immortality, a thought experiment born from the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. This theory suggests that for every possible outcome of an event, the universe splits, creating a new, parallel reality. Think of a quantum coin flip. Instead of landing on heads or tails, the universe branches into two, one where it's heads and another where it's tails. Every quantum event, from the decay of an atom to the firing of a neuron in your brain, creates a cascade of new worlds, an ever-expanding multiverse of infinite possibilities. So how does this lead to immortality? Through the quantum suicide thought experiment. Imagine a gun linked to a quantum particle. If the particle spins up, the gun fires. If it spins down, it just clicks. From an outside view, it's a 50-50th chance of death. But from your perspective, the universe splits with each trigger pull. In one universe you die. In the other, you hear a click and live. Your consciousness, by definition, can only continue in the timeline where you survive. You can only experience the reality where you are still around to perceive it. From your point of view, you pull the trigger and it clicks. Again a click. 1,000,000 times and it will click. You would witness a statistical miracle, seemingly proving your own immortality. But this isn't invincibility. You still age and feel pain. It only applies to events that would instantly end consciousness. A fatal car crash? There might be a 1 in a trillion universe where you survive, but perhaps with devastating injuries. Your awareness simply follows that improbable path. You would outlive everyone you know, a lonely traveler on a timeline built from near-impossible survivals, accumulating endless loss. This raises the ultimate question: is it a blessing or a curse? Would you witness the entire future of the cosmos or be doomed to an eternity of suffering, alone at the heat death of the universe? Of course, this is highly speculative. Critics point out that the theory is untestable. We can't see these other worlds. Furthermore, some argue that probability still matters. An incredibly unlikely survival timeline might have such a low quantum weight that consciousness couldn't meaningfully exist within it, like a ghost in a forgotten reality. So, quantum immortality isn't science fact, but a powerful philosophical lens. It explores the deep connection between consciousness and reality, asking if our existence is a single event or a thread in an infinite tapestry. We can't know if countless versions of us are living out every possibility, but the idea itself gives us a profound appreciation for the one reality we know for sure. It's a reminder of how strange, precious, and perhaps infinite this flicker of awareness we call life truly is.